When introduced the bill of skiza, I think kama kuna kitu ambayo imekuja ikaguza waimbaji ni issue ya skiza. Artists are becoming third party on this thing when they are supposed to be the first people earning from this thing, and we are supporting this thing like 100%, more than even 100%, like 200% for this thing to go through, and we urge our waheshimiwa kwamba watusaidie, we go watusaidie this thing iende through. We request the parliament and the senate. We thank God because our senator was here today, Senator Cherargei, and tumemwambia whatever we had the other day from Mheshimiwa Wanga about skiza watusaidie, waache hiyo kitu iende through ili sisi tuweze kupenya.
And there are many upcoming artists wenye bado wanainuka, na wakiona venye wengine wananyanyaswa ni ngumu pia mtu grow, unaona. So we are urging the government if they can stand na watusaidie, like na wakuwe aggressive kusaidia msanii, kwa sababu talanta ni kitu ya muhimu na lazima it should pay like the way they are paying the athletes, the way they are paying the farmers, the way they are paying the footballers. This is just another talent na inafaa kuinuliwa, inafaa kusaidiwa.